Hi, welcome to another edition of Azure Every Day. My name is Bob Rubaki and I'm a consultant with PragmaticWorks. And today I want to talk about the Azure Mobile App. Now this is not an app that you've built in Azure, but it's an app that Microsoft has made available, and it's available on iOS and Android. And really what it is, it's a kind of like the Azure Portal in an app. So it's intended to be used for monitoring your Azure resources and then doing some management of certain types of resources as well. So examples of things you can do for monitoring: you can look at web activity or activity on your web app, for example, or you can look at VM usage, resource usage within your VM. You could look at SQL query execution activity, not the detailed logs, but the activity and volume and things like that. You can also look at data factory executions. So if you want to keep an eye on success and failure of your data factory executions, you can use the app to do that. And when they fail, you get pretty detailed error messages in there, so you can monitor that and take action on those types of failures if you need. You can also use the app to manage certain types of resources. So depending upon the type of resource in Azure, you'll have different management capabilities. But some of the things that you can do with it are restarting VMs, or if you want to shut one down for a time, maybe you were at the office and forgot to shut one down. Well, you could just use the app to shut that down remotely. So that's kind of nice. With Azure Analysis Services, you can pause and resume that service. So you can do that through the app as well. And then another example is Azure Logic Apps. You can disable and enable those apps if you need to, and you can do that from the app as well. Now you can't natively create objects through the UI in the app, but it does provide you the ability to run PowerShell scripts. So if you wanted to execute a PowerShell script from the app, you could do that as well. So it's a pretty neat application. It's pretty handy. It's not going to do everything that you can do from the portal, certainly, but it's a really handy tool to do some monitoring and resource management on the fly or on the go. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions about Azure, or you want to understand more about how your organization can use cloud computing, please reach out to us at PragmaticWorks. We'd be glad to talk with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.